Adamed is a Polish pharmaceutical and biotechnological company. We have been present on the market since 1986. Our activity is based on three pillars: Polish scientific thought, own patents, and innovative technologies. From the very beginning, Adamed has been run by doctors. We have 3 modern manufacturing plants, 2 in Poland and 1 in Vietnam. The medicines manufactured there go to patients all over the world. Apart from innovation, foreign expansion is the second important part of Adamed's activity. Both of them, consistently developed, have made us a recognizable and valued brand on the international market, and our intellectual property is protected by patents all over the world. We operate branches in Europe and Asia. In 2017, we became the owner of a controlling stake in Pharma, one of the fastest-growing pharmaceutical companies in Vietnam. 2 years later, in 2019, we purchased a block of shares in Pharma, an Italian company operating in the field of neuropsychiatry and urology. Every day, we improve the preparations and drugs which are already on the market and develop new effective and safe therapies. Innovations that are important to our business are products with added value, such as new combinations of active substances, new drug forms, or ways of releasing active substances. We are committed to development. We're constantly working on completely new medicines. We employ the best experts. We cooperate with leading universities and scientific institutions. We work on 3 research platforms: an oncological, a neuropsychiatric, and a diabetological one. In Adamed's laboratories, we have developed an innovative molecule with the potential for treatment of psychiatric disorders. Its further development will be handled by the American company Acadia Pharmaceuticals, with whom we concluded an exclusive global license agreement in December 2020. Acadia will conduct further development work to provide patients with the drug as soon as possible. We are perfectly aware of the fact that development is about people and that our future depends on education. That is why we promote and develop the idea of cooperation between science and business, as well as popularize science and natural sciences. For this purpose, we have established the Adamed Foundation. Its flagship program, Adamed SmartUp, has been supporting the most talented students in Poland for years and is now developing on an international basis. We were founded as a family business, and we still are one. Family is a special value for Adamed. Just as its members take care of each other, share responsibility, and show respect, understanding, and support for each other, Adamed transfers these principles to the production stages. All our products are part of a big family. Although diverse, they share a common origin, high quality, and strict safety standards. Within each family, members have different needs. At Adamed, we have made it our goal to meet them all. We feel responsible for the well-being of our patients. We treat this responsibility broadly and comprehensively. We support our patients in taking care of their health. For years, we have conducted activities promoting prevention. We educate and promote awareness of a healthy lifestyle. We take special care of senior citizens. We ensure drug safety. We care for relations with local communities. Adamed is, first and foremost, a passion, a dream to change the world for the better. That is why we never stop developing. Flexibility and speed of action, mutual respect, operational excellence, quality, openness, and innovation. These are the values from which we draw our strength. Adamed, we respond to the key challenges of modern medicine.